children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I'll take class 7th and exercise 2.2 question number 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Today we'll do this and the rest of the question I told you in my previous video. So watch that video as well as watch this carefully please. Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Multiply and reduce into lowest term. Firstly what you have to do, you have to multiply. Multiply करने के बाद whatever answer you got, you have to cut that in the lowest form. Lowest form में लाने के बाद अगर वो improper fraction है तो उसको हम convert करेंगे किसमें? Mixed fraction में, right? And that conversion and all I have told you in my previous videos. So please watch that videos. Okay, now let's see question number 3. First part is 7 into 3 by 5. Now how you'll do this? Its solution will be, see, 7 into 3 upon 5. Down to 7 is nothing. तो आप क्या करेंगे? Upon 1 लिख देंगे ताकि confusion की कोई चीज ना रहे. Okay, 7 and 5. अब ये क्या कट रहे हैं दोनों numbers? No. Both are the prime numbers. Both are not cutting by each other. 3 and 1 भी नहीं कट रहा. So what you'll do? 7 into 3 upon 1 into 5. What is our answer? That is 21 upon 5. Now see 21 upon 5. Improper fraction है. Why? Because numerator is more than denominator. तो हम इसका क्या निकाल लेंगे? 21. इसको हम mixed fraction में change करेंगे. 5 4s are 20. 1 is remainder. How you'll write this? Remainder is at the top, divisor and quotient. Okay. So what is our answer? See. Divisor is 5, remainder is 1 and quotient is what? 4. So this is your answer. Okay, now let us come to the next. This is what? 15 into 3 by 5. So 15, firstly you just note down this. अब देखेंगे ये क्या कट रहा है नंबर किसी से. See 3 or 1, no. 3 and 5, no. And 15 and 5. They are cutting by each other. Yes, 5 की टेबल में 15 आता है. कितने सा? 5 3 is a 15. So 3 into 1, no, 3 into 3 upon 1. That is equal to 9. यहाँ पे तो mixed fraction and lowest की बात ही नहीं आती. ये कट के क्या आ गया हमारा आंसर? That is 9. Okay. Let us come to the next one. That is question number 5. See children, third question we have done 2 parts. Rest of the part are just similar to that. That's why I haven't done. You just do it. If you're getting any problem, write in comment box. See question number 5 also it is having 2 parts. I'm telling you first part. ये अगर समझ में आ जाता you can easily do the second part. Let's see the first part. That is 1 by 2 of. Okay. Of हम लोग first वाला लिखेंगे. That is what? 24. Right? Now 1 by 2. Of का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiply. Of means what? Multiply. Right? So multiplication का sign लगाएंगे. This is 24 upon 1. Of 24 means 24 upon 1. आप नीचे 1 जरूर लगाएं ताकि आपको ध्यान में रहे कि this is numerator. Denominator is 1 only. Okay. Now cut this. 2 से कट जाएगा 24. 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So this is what? 12. So what is our answer? Our answer is what? 12. The product of these two is 12. Now let us come to its second part. Second part is what? Half of 46. So write down half of 46. So it will be half of means what? Multiplication and 46 divided by what? 1. Now you can see दोनों ही even number है. It will go with 2. Cut. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is 23. So in this way you will do its second part. है ना easy? You can easily do it. Now let's come to children. Let's come to the next question. Question number 6. If you have seen my previous videos, in that I told you जब fraction start कर रहे थे, fraction start करने के बाद जब 2.2 से पहले वाला जो video, that is multiplication of fraction वाला. If you have seen that, then you can easily do this. See, in that I told you how you have to multiply fraction to a whole number and fraction to a fraction. So here you can see this is fraction to a whole number. Okay. So how you'll do this? See, this is equal to 3 into, see this is what, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction को पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? Yes, in improper fraction 5 into 5 plus 1. Firstly I am writing this, but in second question I will not write this one की इसको कैसे आप चेंज करेंगे, आप ध्यान से समझिए इसको. 5 into 5, 5 into 5 plus 1 divided by what? 5. So this is 3 into 5 5 are 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 5. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, that means इसके नीचे क्या है? 1 है. 1 and 26, this will not go. 5 and 3, this will also not go. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply this. 3 6 are 18 के 8 carry 1 3, sorry, yes, 3 6 are 18 के 8 carry 1 3 2 are 6 and 1 7 upon what? 5. Now see, they have told what? Mixed fraction. अगर हमारा ये improper fraction में आता है, we have to change this in mixed fraction. As I told you earlier also, अगर question में mixed fraction दिया हुआ है तो आंसर जो निकलेगा अगर वो improper होगा, you have to change that into mixed fraction, right? अब देखो इसको change कर लेते हैं. 78 और 5 इसको convert करने के लिए we just divide. 5 ones are 5, 28, 5 5s are 25. This is 3 is left. What is our remainder? 3. So remainder we are writing at the top. Here we are writing divisor and quotient. So what is our answer? See, I'm writing here only. This is quotient is what? 15. Remainder is what? 3 upon what? 5. So this is our product of these two fractions. One whole number and one fraction. Now let us come to its B part. This is what? 3 1 by 2 into 8. 8 upon 1. So 3 2s are 6 and 1. 6 plus 1. That is 7 upon 2. Into what? 8 upon 1. अब देखेंगे कोई किसी से कट रहा है. 7 and 2? No, it will not go. 8 and 2? Yes, it will go. 2 कितने are? 2 4s are 8. So what is our answer? Our answer is what? 28. So here is our answer. In this way you have to multiply and express in mixed fraction. दो parts मैंने आपको बता दिए. Other rest of the part you do by yourself. Okay, if you're getting any problem, again and again I'm saying, write it in comment box. Come to question number 7. So children, let's come to 7th question. See, it's just similar to our 5th question. So I'm doing its first part. You do by yourself the second part. लेकिन इसको ध्यान से समझने के बात करेंगे. Let's see. यहाँ पे जो है ये दोनों के दोनों ही fraction है. Means this is multiplication of fraction with another fraction, right? Now see how you'll do this. Solution. A's first part will do. First part is half of, right? Of किसका? 2 3 by 4 का. First part is this. So half of means what? Multiplication. And firstly write down this like this only. Okay, then 1 by 2 of is multiplication. Now just change it into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so it is what? 11 by 4. Now see, is any number is going by any other number? No. 1 4 से नहीं जाएगा, 11 2 से नहीं जाएगा. Simply you have to what? Multiply this. 1 into 11 is 11 only and 2 into 4 is 8. So again we are getting improper fraction. Change it into mixed. 1s are 8. So what is? This is 8. Remainder is what? 3 and quotient is 1. So here is our product of these two fractions. Let us come to its second part, that is what? Half of what? 4 2 by 9. So half of means multiplication, or of 4 9s are what? Firstly note down this. 4 2 by 9. Okay. Now see what you have to do. This is 4 9s are is 36, 37, 38. This is 38 by 9. अब देखेंगे कोई किसी से कट रहा है. is any number is dividing by anybody? See, any other number? 2 or yes, both are prime number, both are what? Even numbers. Cut जाएंगे. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So what is left? See, 19 ones are is 19 और नीचे क्या बच गया? 9 बच गया. Now see, again this is what? Improper fraction. फिर से हमें इसको convert करना पड़ेगा. 9 what? 2s are 18. 1 is left. Right? Now what is left? See, it is what? 9. Remainder is 1 and quotient is 2. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 by 9. So in this way, you will do the other part of question number 7. I think this is clear to you. Off वाले question है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Off is multiplication only. Okay, let's see the 8th one question, the last question of this exercise. ध्यान से देखेंगे उसको. Children, see, this one question is problem sum. So problem sum देख के डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is very simple. Question को समझ लीजिए बस. Vidya and Pratap, brother and sister, went for a picnic. Right? Their mother gave them water bottle. उसकी मदर ने उसको वाटर बॉटल दी that contained 5 liters of water. कितना वाटर था उसमें? That is 5 liters of water, right? विद्या जो है, विद्या ने कंज्यूम किया 2/5 of the water, of the total water, 2/5. Pratap consumed what? Remaining water. We don't know how much is remaining. So firstly we have to find out. Say question is also asked, how much water did Vidya drink? तो देखते हैं विद्या ने कितना पानी पिया. Solution. Vidya consumed water that we fraction we know कि कितना fraction उसने पिया. That is what? 2/5 of the total water. Total water कितना था उन लोगों के पास? That is 5 liters. Right? अब देख लेते हैं 2/5 of what? Of 5. Of को हम क्या लिखते हैं? Multiplication. 5 के नीचे क्या है? 1 है. And 5 and 5 get cancelled. What is left? 2 liters. तो विद्या ड्रिंक कितना? 2 liters of water. Let's now Pratap drink. Okay, this is the second part. Second part is asked कि what fraction of water did Pratap drink? This is the second part of the question. So how you'll do this? See, what you have to do, Pratap drank water, Pratap consumed water. How much water? That is remaining water उसने कंज्यूम किया. अब remaining कितना बचा देख लेते हैं. 5 liters water था जिसमें से this is equal to 5 liters. Here you can write in this way. 5 liters water था total. उसके sister ने कितना पी लिया? 2 liters. We have find out this. Okay, एक तो ऐसे आप निकाल सकते हो. अगर fraction निकालना है directly also we can find out. Okay, first we do this one. This is what? 3 liters. ऐसे निकल गया. और fraction क्या होगा? Fraction will be what? Fraction will be 3 upon total water. एक तो ये तरीका है. So children, here we will find out in this way only that total water कितना था? 5 liters. उसकी sister ने 2 liters पिया. तो उसने कितना पिया? That is 3 liters is consumed. What is its fraction? 3 liters ने consume किया. Total कितना था? 5. So 3/5 is the fraction that he drank. Okay. So in this way we have done till 8th question. Our exercise is completed. Now be with me in my next video. Okay. We will do the next new topic. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.